Yo, what's up? Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Mike, and I'm back with another video. See by the title and the thumbnail, we got part 2 of building my gaming setup. And today I'm gonna be building my PC, and this is really gonna be the final episode because there's like really nothing else to show y'all for real. So I'm gonna be building my PC, and I'm really gonna be done with my gaming setup, and I'm gonna show y'all that. So yeah, and the reason why this took so long is because this right here, the CPU, the fucking heart of the whole thing, took forever to get here. Like the first time I bought it, the company was like a scam like type company, so it wasn't like gonna send at all, so I had to rebuy it. Then I had to wait. It was supposed to come tomorrow, but then it came today, which is Friday. So yeah, but anyway, this is all my stuff that I have for my PC. If you want to know the specs of it, it will be in the description. But if you can see, if you see something, you know, like if you know about PCs, if you see something, you know, then you know, you know it. So yeah, I'm ready to get into this build. And yeah.
Gang.
Damn, Stipper. You be stoned.
SSD shit, man. 500 bro rod top shit. Niggas know how we bumming out this bitch. She like how I walk, talk, move. Roll up your homie, I think I'm in Cancun. These niggas be faking they goofy buffoon. Shoot up the block, cut on the news.
Pull up on your block, stop, shoot. I'm with the gang, I'm with the troops. Fuck boy, try, tie him like a noose. Yo niggas blues, I got the clues.
Walk with my mob, limp like a fool. 5 on the block, shout out my June. Race to the top, shoot for the moon. Gotta stay silent, they watching my moves.
Both of them bad, don't know who to choose. Her pussy be wet, it fall like a cruise. You claim you was scared, that's a sorry excuse. Bitch suck on that dick like she blow like a flute.
I got a win instrument too. That bitch go do. I told that bitch come to the red room. This my sex room, not my bedroom.
Don't do no talking, your house I've been stalking, just plotting and planning my move. If you rock with the ops, you gon' bust it on top of your mama gon' cry on the news. No remorse for these bitches, they turning the snitches, they breaking the code and the rules. Man, if you talking reckless, my 40 gon' test it, little nigga, show me what you want. And I don't do no cap, I can't tell you what happened, no, I cannot snitch in my songs. But I fucked on this bitch, so she busted my dick, so I had to just leave her alone. I got caught in that jam, but you know I'm the man, mama there's not taking your son. Fell in love with the violence, you know I'll be wildin', man, I love the drugs and the guns. Gotta cop me a Glock, cause the ops wanna top, but we know that they faking they flaws. And she I'm a dog, but baby, you right. You know that I just want a bone. Better chill the fuck out before you run in your house, toting and pointing them guns. And you flex on the ground, you think that you will, a nigga, I'm pulling your card.
Get my niggas pull up in your yard. Then we raise hell on your blog. Bad bitch tryna steal my heart. The streets took it, bitch, it's already gone.
The streets took it, bitch, it's already gone. I hop on the beat and I do it for fun. These bitches be filing, I gotta have one. I'm smoking that runs, it fill up my lungs.
Thick bitch, slap her ass like a gong. Rip up her walls like I'm ripping a bong. When they came down them steps, we was already gone. And the head had her geeking like it's Comic Con.
Snuck in the crib like I am James Bond. Fucking that bitch, got caught by her mom. Bitch tryna blaze me like I am Trayvon. Damn, why the fuck she had them on? You flex on the gram, you a bitch, call you Cam. She sucking me, fucking me, dick in the hand. You was generic, bitch, I am they brand. Pack always gone cause it's high in demand. I'm flexing on niggas like Officer Black. I hit from that back, got her screaming, I blare. I'm always winning, it's not even fair. The beat I'm going, I'ma leave it right there.
Hey yo, Stipper.
Alright, man, so I'm recording off my phone right now, and I just wanted to show you that I do have the motherboard in right now. And so here is how it looks. So now I'm about to put in the power supply, and I'm gonna show you that on the camera, which is gonna be, you know, speeding the stuff up. I just wanted to show you that right now because I can't see it from the camera. So yeah.
6 feet, no contact. INDEPENDE. Nigga, I don't need no contract. These niggas be capping the street. Pussy nigga, where your Glock at? These niggas be capping they rap. Pussy nigga, where them 6 miles at? That bitch be on my BBC. She like how the fuck I hit that. She like, boy, you know you missed that. I'm like, but you already know I wanna hit that. Shawty be like, where the fuck is that dick at? I said, bitch, you gotta come get that. If you got an attitude, bitch, you can get mad. Niggas ain't tripping cause you know I got a big bag. If you wanna match, pop out to the kickback. Smoking hella trees, so you know we got the tips, yeah. 2021, so you know I'm a senior. Real young nigga, coming straight from Richmond. Me and my niggas, we always winning. That's a DK, so you know it's just beginning. Hop up in the Volvo, yeah, you know I'm finna spin it. In the green machine, you know class whipping. Sliding down the O, and you know if I get in. Finna hit most, then we go to the Glen. Kelly like, nigga, can you drop me at where? I'm like, nigga, we gon' be in the crib. Niggas got bored, so we went to Francis. In the Volvo, and we sliding through the field.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir. Can you please subscribe to the video and like the video?
Trapping all day. Pull up in the Volvo with a sawed off, hit his taco. Fuck boy, no I don't play. Pull up in the Volvo with a fofo, make him loco. Fuck boy, lost on his brains. I never remember that I will never change. I be headstrong, I got ice in my veins. I hop on the beat and I do my little thing. I feel like Kirk on the way that I bang. Hop on a new block, you know I still slang. Cock me a new clock, you know I got range. Scope like ballista, you know I can aim. I might get crazy, I might get the range. I just got choppers on choppers on choppers on choppers, and I feel like G keep bang. And I'm with the gang, I took them things. Capital murder, tryna shoot at his brains. I be in ATV, different terrains. Feel like a bobber cause I'm giving fades. Feel like a bomb cause I blow like grenades. Walk on my block cause he lost like a stray. That nigga get done like his name is Bouquet. I'm with my shooters, I'm hanging with K.
Fucking with gang, you know they gon' bang.
I throw up the rock so you know I stay.
Get the packet, it's gon' feel like I'm delayed.
Get the P, I don't break it, it's gone in a day.
Switch on the game, you gon' pass away.
Switch on the game, run you up in the J.
Shooting the J like Kelly Oubre. We knocking this top off like a toupee.
But you know niggas call me AKA Molly F.
Top shit, Nick.
Cause I be the street,
Bitch, know how we bumming out this bitch, yeah, man.
I got all kinds of names like H.O. Paper Stack.
Hold on.
Also known as AKA Horse
Hold on. Hold on.
AKA Bills, baby, don't
Paving this shit crank.
Hold on. Hold on. Look.
Yeah, like the
Nigga, I ball, Kobe, yeah. Today, I feel like Ginobili. Sad, bitch, you can't hold me. Nope. She fell in love with the old me. Can't love her, no bitch that be hoeing. Nah. I love her type pussy that's flowing. Yeah. I pass to the gang if I'm scoring. Bitch, I don't ball hard, but I'm Johnson. Me, don't do too much talking. Nah. If I catch a op, I'ma off him. That's what to my gang, I'ma pop out. Bitch, I'm for 500, we poppin'. Find out where you stayin', we stocking. Bitch, you was not banging, stop flossing. Nah. You thinking this sweet, you a target. I passed to my bro, cause I'm off it. Ay, I passed to my bro, cause I'm off it. I passed to my bro, cause I'm off it. Ay, passed to my bro, cause I'm off it. Bitch, I passed to my bro, cause I'm off it. Ay,
took a little break, now I'm back on the beat. Doing my damn bitch, I'm stomping my feet. Look on my blood, he gon' blow for me. Marvin my head, he liquid 13. All through the city, got niggas for me. Fucking on bitches, I know for a week. Delete the number that push you is weak. Back to the money, late night robberies. Started up young, we was reckless indeed. Praying to God, I would get on my knees. Hoping for licks and praying for fees. Bitch, I'm a demon, my daddy and me. Can't do no capping and watching they scheme. Can't do no lacking the things that I seen. Out on the block, they got cracking their teeth. Started a business, finessing the fiends. Put on my brothers, we all gonna eat. Ayy, we are gonna eat. Put on my brothers, we are gonna eat. Ayy, we are gonna eat. Put on my brothers, we are gonna eat. Ayy, we are gonna eat. Put on my brothers, we are gonna eat. Bitch, we are gonna eat. Ayy.
Alright man, so the PC is done. It is right here. I'm about to turn it on to see if it works right now. I'm not done with the video yet, but I'm just turning it on to see if the video works. I mean, if the PC works, so yeah. Anyways, we're going to flip this switch. Also, since I don't have the keyboard here, I'm just gonna put this in here already. Just so I can get Windows right here. Put that in. Ooh, got the lights I put in, everything's working. It's turning on. Let's get it.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Bro, oh my god, first PC and your boy did it. Yes sir, I'm about to catch y'all when I'm actually done setting everything up. Y'all gonna see everything, so yeah. Alright man, that's gonna do it for me building my PC, and that's gonna do it for me building my gaming setup. Now it took a while because it was just so stressful, but anyways, it took a while. That's all I'm gonna say, but I'm glad I got it done because yeah, get to enjoy it afterwards. But anyways, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, like the video, and comment something you want to see, or comment, you know what I'm saying, just comment anything. So yeah. Anyways, it's your boy Mike, and I'm out.